And here are the 20 new meat birds that we just got. They're little tiny things right now, but in 6 to 8 weeks they're supposed to turn into about an 8-pound roaster. So they grow really quick. What do you think, Parker? Junior? These are the ones that'll be going in the chicken tractor, taking care of the lawn at the same time. That's the person that started this whole farm thing. It's her fault. Just an update while he's doing that. Look how big the turkeys have gotten in a week. Or 2 weeks, whatever it's been. Time flies. And all our other birds. They're getting much bigger. The guinea hens have about tripled in size. Same thing with the ducks, the 4 ducks. Buff Orpingtons, they're still quite little, but the Americanas have grown twice the size. And the other white looking ones are the bantams that we got about a week before. And they're going to be the smallest chickens, but right now they're the biggest. So I've got some work ahead of me. Looks like they've all found the food and they're pretty hungry. They want food instead of water. Yeah. The turkey, one of these turkeys is real interested in what's going on. So surprisingly, as big as they are, those turkeys aren't supposed to be out in the weather for another few more weeks. So I'm actually gonna raise the sides on that brooder. That's these panels that you put together. So I ordered some more panels so I can raise it because they want to start roosting, so I have to make some roosting sticks for them. Same thing, the chickens really want to start roosting over here too, so. And they're a few weeks away from being outside. I think the broilers are only a couple of weeks because they grow so fast. But we'll give you an update on that a little later on. Have a good day.